Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to unlink two Instagram accounts. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and go to your Instagram account and then go to the top right, click on the three horizontal lines. Okay. So once it loads, go ahead over to Account Center. And then in here, just tap on X. Now go ahead and tap on Manage Accounts right here at the very bottom. Now you will be able to see multiple Instagram accounts right here if you have linked multiple accounts, or maybe two. Okay, so what you'll do is just basically tap on Manage, okay, on one Instagram account and just tap on Move Out of this Account Center. Okay, so tap on it and tap on Move Account. Okay, you'll have to follow simple prompts from here. Go ahead and tap on Continue. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to move this account. Okay. So just tap on Continue, follow simple prompts, and once that's done, when you go ahead and go back, it will now be gone right here. And that is it. That's how simple it is to unlink two Instagram accounts. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.